Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your techniques with Crypto.com, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, visit the Crypto.com website or open the mobile app. Log into your account using your credentials. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one first. Once logged in, navigate to the home screen. Locate the Accounts tab at the bottom of the screen. Tap on Crypto Wallet to view your current holdings. If you need to upgrade your techniques, look for the Earn section. In the Earn section, explore the various options available for staking. Select a cryptocurrency that you wish to stake for earning rewards. Review the interest rates and terms associated with that cryptocurrency. Once you've made your selection, tap on Stake Now to proceed. Enter the amount you wish to stake. Confirm the transaction and review any fees that may apply. After confirming, you will see your staked cryptocurrency in the Earn section. Now, return to the home screen to explore trading options. Tap on the Trade tab and choose whether you want to buy or sell. Select the cryptocurrency you wish to trade. Enter the amount and review the current market price. Once satisfied, confirm the trade to execute the transaction. For advanced features, explore the Exchange tab for additional trading tools. This may include limit orders, market orders, and more. To maximize your experience, consider setting up price alerts. Navigate to the Alerts section to configure your notifications. Stay updated with market trends by visiting the Markets tab. This will help you make informed decisions on future trades. Consistent monitoring can lead to better investment strategies. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.